Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Procreate brushes for logo sketching workflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Procreate on your iPad. Create a new canvas by tapping the plus icon. Select an appropriate canvas size for your logo sketch. Navigate to the brush library by tapping on the brush icon. Scroll through the available brushes to find a suitable one for sketching. To create a new brush, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the brush library. In the brush settings, choose Shape to select a brush shape. Experiment with different shapes to see which works best for your sketching style. Next, go to Grain to select a texture that complements your brush shape. Adjust the properties of the brush to suit your workflow. For logo sketching, consider a medium opacity and size for versatile strokes. Enable Streamline for smoother lines, particularly useful for logos. Set the minimum and maximum size under the size settings to control your brush dynamics. Save the changes by tapping Done in the upper right corner. Test your new brush on your canvas to see how it performs. Make any necessary adjustments to the brush settings based on your experience. Once satisfied, you can rename your brush for easy identification. Organize your brushes by creating a new set specifically for logo sketching. To create a new set, tap Edit in the brush library and then the plus icon. Drag your new brush into the new set for easy access. Now, you're ready to start sketching logos using your customized brushes. Familiarize yourself with various techniques by practicing different strokes. Experiment with other brushes in your set to discover new styles. Enjoy your logo sketching process as you develop unique designs. Adjusting your brushes as you go will refine your workflow over time. Remember, practice is key to mastering Procreate for logo design. Have fun with your creative journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.